Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. This is my first time flying alone.
No problem. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Vancouver.
May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Everything is fine.
That's good to hear. I was a little nervous.
That's normal for first-time travelers.
What should I do next?
Go through security, then follow the signs to your gate.
How early should I be there?
Please arrive at least 30 minutes before boarding.
Understood.
If you need help, feel free to ask any staff member.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Have a safe and pleasant flight.
Thank you very much. This is my first time at the airport alone. I have my suitcase, my bag, and my boarding pass. But I can't find my gate number. Gate 23. Gate 24. I feel a little confused. I think I should ask someone for help. Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Of course. What's the problem?
It's my first time flying alone, and I can't find my gate.
No worries. Let me check your ticket.
Here you are.
Your gate is A23. Go straight and turn right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.